In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create envelopes and perform a mail merge in Google Docs. We're diving into a task that can seem complex, but with a few simple steps, you'll be able to streamline your process and save a ton of time when handling bulk mailings. This is incredibly handy for businesses, event planners, or even just sending out personal invitations. Let's get started. First, head on over to Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that first. Once you're in, navigate to Google Docs. This is our starting point where all the magic will happen. Before we create our envelopes, it's important to ensure you have the Mail Merge add-on installed. If you haven't installed it yet, click on the Extensions tab at the top of your screen. Then select Get Add-ons. A new window will appear, allowing you to search the add-ons directory. Simply type Mail Merge into the search bar. When you find it, click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. For this tutorial, I've already installed it, so let's move on to the next step. Now that you have the add-on ready, go back to your open Google Doc. Click on Extensions again, then select Mail Merge with Google Docs. A sidebar will appear on the right. Before we dive into the merging process, let's make our envelopes. Click on Envelopes. Here, you'll be able to customize your envelope sizes to fit your needs. Adjust the settings according to the dimensions you require, and once you're satisfied with the configuration, you can move on to setting up the Mail Merge. To do this, click on Mail Merge and then select Start. A table setting for Mail Merge will pop up on the right side. This is where you'll input your data. Tap on Open Spreadsheet to see all the spreadsheets currently saved in your Google Drive. Choose the document you want to use for your mailing list. Next, click Select. You'll be directed back to the Mail Merge sidebar where you'll see your selected spreadsheet. Here, click Merge. You'll be asked to provide the email address to which you want to send the mail. Type it in the provided field and then confirm by clicking OK. And that's it. You have successfully created envelopes and performed a mail merge in Google Docs. Congratulations on streamlining your mailing process. By utilizing this tech-savvy method, you've saved loads of time and made your workflow considerably more efficient. Don't hesitate to explore more features offered by the Mail Merge add-on, as it can be a tremendous asset in managing your contact list and correspondence with ease. Happy merging, and thanks for watching this tutorial.